All right, here we are in Mr. Medlock's garage, or as I call it, my garoffice. So I'm going to tell you a few things about the distance learning syllabus first. And I'm going to remind you the distance learning syllabus is an actual assignment. So before you do anything else, I want you to do this one. It's worth 20 points. So as you look at this, you can see that I've said it's an actual assignment. I say hello. I talk about Google Classroom. Zoom meetings right now are optional. You don't have to attend Zoom meetings. I'm going to announce when I'm having Zoom meetings, so you can show up or not. Zoom meetings are essentially for tutoring or to get your questions and concerns addressed. All right. That may change, but for now it's optional. Grading, you're going to do interactive notebooks, but now they're virtual interactive notebooks. And those are worth 40% of your grade. Tests are worth 20% of your grade. And the final exam is worth 20% of your grade. So the honor code. Don't cheat, because you can't learn and I can't teach you if you cheat. And cheating would be copying other people's notes and passing them off as your own, or sharing information like on the test with other people in the class. So if I catch you cheating, excuse me 1 second. Jump cut. You kids like the jump cuts, don't you? One of my children, I don't know, kicked the other kid's shoe into the neighbor's yard, and in social distancing, how do they get it back? So I said, I'll go sneak into it, whatever. I'm sure it'll work out great. Okay, moving on. So honor code, don't cheat. If you do cheat, I may have you do the unit over again, may have you do the class over again, may fail you in the class. So that's not worth it. Don't cheat. Can't learn if you cheat. So exam policies. All exams, the unit tests and the final exam, are open note. I say it again, they are open notes. So there will be no study guides. You can use your notes on the final exam and on the unit tests. So enjoy that while it lasts. Our textbook is OpenStax US History. It's an online textbook. It kind of skews, at least in my opinion, more towards the progressive side of things. So, if you're conservative, you're probably not going to like that. If you're progressive, you probably think it's great. If I think there's a little bias in there, I will point that out. My goal is not to give you biased information. I just want to give you information, and then you make your own choice, as always. So contact information. You can email me. That's the best way to get in touch with me, and there's my email address. And also you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I won't try to sell you Raid Shadow Legends. I don't even know what that is, but I hate it. All right, then we have our class schedule. Our first test is on April 22nd. And then we move into our sample virtual interactive notebook lesson. So you will set up your own notes. And if you scroll down, you will see that I have shown you exactly what I want you to do. So the first thing you do is decide if you want to do this in mind map or in outline form. If you do mind map, put the word syllabus in the center of your notes and put all of the other ones around it radiating like spokes on a wheel. If you do outline, just write syllabus at the top of your page, and then the subtopics, space them evenly on the way down, and you can do it as an outline. And the next thing I want you to do is write today's essential question at the top of your page. And today's essential question is, what are the most important things to know about the syllabus? All right. And then we have sections from the syllabus, and you're going to write down the most important things. So number 3, for each of today's subtopics, write down the most important thing to know about that section. For number 4, watch this video and write any 3-word quote from it so that I know you actually watched it. So that's just a test to see if the video thing works. And that's going to be your output. Take a picture of each of your pages and paste those pages into the tables on the next page. It's easy. You just right-click on the table and hit paste, and your picture will paste right in there. You can scroll down and look at my examples if you need help. Check out the scoring rubric at the bottom. And that's that. So this is our first assignment. Our next assignment will be Virtual Interactive Notebook number 1. All right. Bye-bye.